From cookie cutter to creative crafts, summer crafts for kids. Here are a few bee crafts that are cookie cutter and copycat crafts. To create a bee or bees, we look at pictures of bees and we see there's lots of yellow and black. So what I did was I just cut up a whole bunch of, you could do different sizes. I cut up different like rounded yellow and black kind of ovals, cut different size rectangles of black and yellow, also making available black and yellow paper, giving them tag board to create on top of with some glue stick, and then some googly eyes, and then we could see what kind of bees they can create with these materials. Here are some children actually creating their bee crafts with the materials given. So for the bee picture, we have our 4-year-old drew the bee. This must have been a beehive. I think so. Must have been a beehive. Not sure what that is, but here's the bee for a 4-year-old. And then we have the, this was the 5.5, close to 6-year-old. And then we had the 8-year-old that was doing, he actually had made some mistakes. So he took paper and drew on top of it and pasted it on top. Here's the tree with the beehive hanging. And then we have the 9-year-old who worked very intricately, carefully on making bees with the stripes of the black, making a flower, and then she colored in the ground and the sky. And here are some cookie cutter copycat ice cream cones. So for an ice cream cone collage, I would show them a couple of ideas of ice creams, and of course they know that they can do other stuff. Then I would give them all different triangles of different browns, maybe whites, beiges, some of them rectangle, some of them pointy triangles, some of them with a straight edge on the bottom. Then I would give them lots of different colored papers. This is just what I grabbed. I would take other colored papers and scissors, and then I just found some toothpicks and some sequins and maybe some black writing utensils, a Sharpie and a China marker, and they will create them on this tag board. Here we have the children I had creating these ice cream cones, creating them. So these were the results from the ice cream craft. I had a 4-year-old who was looking at this and decided he wanted to copy one of them, and he wanted only to draw. Then we had the 5.5-year-old, almost 6, who also chose one to copy but was cutting things out, drew lines on here, added the drips. Let's see, I think he was trying to copy this one, but then he added a face over here. This one was the 8-year-old. Might as well keep this here so you could see. Just added his own take on this. And this was the 9-year-old.